Hello dear friends, my name is Dr. Igor Atabekov and we are talking about one of the most aggressive cancers. This is pancreatic cancer. What are the 5 most important symptoms that is important to know about? First of all, what is pancreas? Pancreas, as you can see here, is a leaf-shaped organ. It's about 6 inches long behind the stomach. It has 2 incredibly important jobs. First, it's an exocrine gland, meaning that it produces digestive enzymes that go through this. You see this duct here, the green one, and the arrows. These enzymes go through pancreatic duct into the duodenum, where they meet the food. Without these enzymes, the food cannot be digested and absorbed well. Second, it's releasing hormones like insulin or glucagon directly into your bloodstream to regulate your blood sugar levels and feed all your organs and brain. In short, a healthy pancreas helps you to digest, to get all the nutrients and vitamins, and to maintain energy levels. Pancreatic cancer begins when cells in the pancreas start to grow out of control, forming a tumor. The most common type is a pancreatic adenocarcinoma. It starts in the cells of these ducts that carry digestive enzymes. The challenge here is that at the beginning it often grows silently. The pancreas is located deep inside the body, behind the stomach, so small tumors are hard to feel. If you touch the stomach, if the doctor touches the stomach, it's impossible to find it. And the symptoms usually don't appear until cancer grows quite big, with some exceptions in some patients. What are the risk factors for pancreatic cancers? These are age, smoking, obesity, family history of cancers, and of course chronic pancreatitis and diabetes. For example, a new onset diabetes after the age of 50 can sometimes be the sign of pancreatic cancer. Also, I want to remind you that family history, the inherited cancer, is the small percentage of all cancers, like 5%. That means most of the cancers are not inherited, they are not genetic. What are the diagnostic procedures? CT scans, MRI, ultrasound, endoscopic ultrasound. You can see here the tube inserted to the stomach with ultrasound device to see the pancreas well through the stomach wall. I told you they are situated, located very close. And also you can take biopsy through the stomach wall. It's a cool, novel method. Also, there are some blood tests like oncomarkers. This is the additional information, not for diagnostic purposes, mostly for monitoring the effectiveness of the treatment. I'm talking about CA19-9 and CEA oncomarkers. But biopsy is the only way to make a definitive diagnosis, when they take small sample and watch it under microscope. Now, let's go to the most crucial part, the symptoms. If you experience any of these 5 symptoms, or especially in combination, it is time to see your doctor. It is important to notice that symptoms can depend on in which part of pancreas the tumor is located. For example, tumors of the head of the pancreas, this is most cases of tumors, the most common location, are more likely to cause jaundice or yellowing of skin and eyes, because there is also the bile duct going through the head. That's why this tumor, even if it's still small, it can already push this bile duct, block it, and impair the bile outflow from the liver into the gut, and the person gets yellow. So, symptom number 1 is jaundice. As you can see on this picture, this is the yellowing of the skin or the whites of the eyes. It can also cause dark urine or white or very light stool, skin itching, and it is highly suspicious, especially when it's painless. And it's seen in at least half of the patients with pancreatic cancer. Although there can be other reasons. For example, as you can see here, it can be gallstones that can also block bile ducts. It can be hepatitis, cirrhosis, some medications, or other types of cancers. But anyway, jaundice is a serious symptom that needs further investigation in the medical setting. Next, unexplained weight loss. It's losing weight without any change of diet, without any purpose, any change in exercise program. It can be a significant sign of something wrong. But again, there are a lot of reasons to lose weight, like diabetes of the first type, like high thyroid function, like depression, anxiety, some chronic infections, inflammatory bowel disease, or other gut problems, digestive problems that are connected to poor digestion and absorption of nutrients. Next, third symptom is new onset pain. It's very common. It's often dull, or it can be pain in upper parts of the belly, on the left. They can go to the back also. It can be belt-like or like half a belt. It may come and go, especially after eating it can occur. And in many people it can be very severe. There can be other causes of pain also, not only pancreatic cancer, like stomach or duodenal ulcers, for example, like gallstone, like GERD, like again inflammation in the guts, muscle strains, back problems, and kidney stones. Still, if you have pain, especially the chronic, long-lasting, it does not get better, or it's combined with other symptoms we're talking about, you should seek for medical attention. Next, loss of appetite and indigestion. Feeling full quickly when you eat, experiencing persistent indigestion, bloating, nausea that was not there before. It's not getting better with time. Nearly half of the patients may experience a loss of appetite. And many patients also experience unusual for them change in bowel habits, like diarrhea or constipation, fatty stool or pale feces or white feces. Of course, again, there can be other causes for such symptoms, like inflammation in the stomach, in the guts, some drugs. Gastroparesis often happens in diabetes, when the nerves of stomach are affected. Some food intolerances, stress and anxiety. And symptom number 5 is fatigue. This isn't just feeling tired, it's a profound, unexplained exhaustion that rest doesn't seem to fix fully. And there can be other causes for this, like low hemoglobin, sleep problems, depression, anxiety, low thyroid function, some vitamin deficiencies, infections, and etc. Again, pancreatic cancer is notoriously difficult to diagnose early, as the symptoms may happen when the disease is already advanced. More than 80% of patients are diagnosed at stage 3 and stage 4. It is a serious disease, but knowledge is power. Understanding personal risk factors and being vigilant about these 5 symptoms, jaundice, unexplained weight loss, pain, belt-like or half belt-like pain, appetite loss and fatigue, can help to detect it earlier and improve the chances of cure. If something in the body feels persistently off, don't ignore it. Advocate for yourself, please talk to your doctor, and thanks for watching, for sharing, for commenting, and for supporting this channel. You can also support us by becoming their sponsors or through PayPal. I wish you to stay healthy and hope to see you in the next videos. Goodbye.
Don't be afraid, Dr. Igor. He's got the cure for